Alright, so you're curious about investing in rental properties but you don't know where to start? Let's break it down, step by step. Because honestly, getting into real estate might look intimidating, but with a plan it's way more doable than you think. Step 1. Figure out your budget. Before you even start browsing Zillow at 2 in the morning, sit down and get real about your finances. How much can you afford for a down payment? What monthly payment are you comfortable with? And don't forget the extra costs, maintenance, repairs, vacancies. It's not just about buying the property, it's about holding on to it too. Step 2. Get pre-approved for a mortgage. It sounds boring, but it's crucial. Getting pre-approval gives you a clear idea of your price range and shows sellers you're serious. Plus, it speeds things up when you finally find that perfect property. Step 3. Choose your market. Here's where a lot of beginners get stuck. They want to buy right in their own backyard, but sometimes the best deals are in cities or neighborhoods you haven't even thought about. Research areas with strong job growth, low vacancy rates, and affordable prices. Look for places where rents are rising and people actually want to live. Step 4. Run the numbers. Don't just guess. Calculate what your rental income would be, subtract your monthly costs, mortgage, taxes, insurance, management fees, maintenance, and see if you're still making money. If the math doesn't work, move on. Trust me, it's better to walk away than to force a bad deal. Step 5. Assemble your team. Even if you're buying your first rental, you'll want pros on your side. A real estate agent who knows investment properties, a lender, maybe even a property manager if you don't want those 2 a.m. the toilet's broken calls. Step 6. Make your offer and do your due diligence. Once you find the right property, move quickly. But don't skip the inspection. Check out the roof, plumbing, electrical. Ask for records of past repairs or upgrades. You want to know exactly what you're buying. Step 7. Close the deal and find tenants. After you close, get the property ready to rent. Clean it up, fix anything broken, and set a competitive rent. Then, screen your tenants carefully. Good tenants make your life so much easier. And that's it, your first rental property. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Start small, learn as you go, and keep improving. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more beginner-friendly investing tips. See you next time.